Hello and welcome to my Jeans Paper Jewels channel. Today I have a flip-fold card for you. That was my submission for Craft Roulette episode 325. The guest this time was Justine Dvorak. The parameters were flip-fold card with tartan colors, the element of time or clock, and add a bow. So nothing crazy on the parameters this time, except that the project parameter posed a little bit of a mix-up because some of the people in the chatterbox were saying that this was not a flip-fold card, but it is in fact a flip-fold card. I followed a video by Gina K, so I will link that in the description so you can see the sizes and everything. I just love the way this card came out. It is rich and beautiful. The tartan colors are associated with forests and hunting and meadows, so they certainly fulfill the parameter of tartan colors. For timer clock, I used a retired stamp set to add this sentiment of our friendship is timeless. And as you can see, I added a little bow. So I made all the parameters work with this card. I added a couple of nice little details that I want to tell you about. I used the real pretty designer series paper that's called Moonlit Flora. Rich and beautiful designs. If you're a fan of botanicals, you'll love these papers. Just so pretty and rich looking. All those ferns and floral images will take you right outside. And then of course the other side of the designer series papers are usually more plain to match any design you need. Now this little butterfly on the front comes from a new product that will be available in the online exclusives portion of my online store, and that is a sheet of Gilded Accent butterflies. These are going to come in a 12 by 12 sheet, and I counted 75 or more butterflies on here. And they're called Gilded Wings Accents, and they're just a nice heavy gold foil cardstock embellishment that you can add to your projects. So I have added one on the outside and a smaller one on the inside. Now to get this effect on the inside, I just used some Golden Glow ink and blended it on the corner of the card, and then I used the negative of this die cut and sponged some old, or blended some old olive in there to give the little butterfly some grounding. Now it's hard to notice, but this card has some little flecks in it to make it even more botanical looking. I used my new shimmer pen brush in Peaceful Pine and spattered some onto the cardstock. Now to get this effect, all I did was put my card base down and held my bone folder up and tapped it against the bone folder to get the spattering. These new shimmer brushes give just the right amount of shimmer and will add a lot of personality to your projects. So I hope you'll join us for Craft Roulette sometime. It airs on Friday evenings at 6:10 Central Time with the host Mary Gunn, and she always has a guest. They come on at 6:30. 6:10 starts the slideshow for the previous weeks, and then 6:30 Central Time, the guest and Mary Gunn go on to spin that crazy Mr. Wheel to see what parameters will be brought up. So join us sometime. It's a lot of fun. FUNN, Craft Roulette style. Thanks for watching me. Bye.